Spread, just introducing back in is mean, median, and mode. Hopefully this is a nice review for you. The measure of central tendency is the number that is represented by the set of data. It speaks as a whole the aggregate of these three common words. So you probably remember these from Algebra 1. If you remember the mean, think about that as your average. Another word for average. The median. Another word for that you could think of as your middle term. And then mode, most often. Value that is most often. All right, let's kind of quickly go through these. Again, to find the mean, it's the average value of the set of data. You'd add up the entire data set and divide by the number of items in that data. Median is the middle value. Make sure you always arrange it from smallest to largest. Some students do forget that. The rule of thumb is that if you have an odd number of values, that's easy, it's right in the middle. But if you have an even number, then you have to take the average of those two middle values. The median is not affected by extreme values in the data. So think about that as your outliers, your extreme values. But it does not indicate the range of values below or above it. And then the mode, the most frequent value. Modal class, a class that occurs the most frequent in the set of data for continuous data such as histograms. Bimodals, maybe you have two modes, so they call it bimodal. If you have more than two modes, then we say that doesn't have a mode. Here's just a quick example of mean, median, and mode. So let's start off with our mean. So to find the mean, we would just add those values up. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7. And then you'd find how many total your data set is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take a moment here. 3 plus 4 plus 5. And it's approximately 5.2. The median, the middle. So your teacher probably taught you something like this where you work to the inside. So there would be your median. Your mode is the one that occurs the most often. Let's erase those quickly. We have 3 of them here, and we have 3 of them there. So this would be considered bimodal. And it's 5 and 6.